Hello, my name is Jeff and thank you for joining me on diecast, powder coat and restoration. Today I'm asking for a little bit of help for my Suffolk Super Colt lawnmower. I do have some friends out there that are lawnmower experts, so hopefully they can help me. See you in a moment. Well, here it is again. I believe it's an early 1970s lawnmower. I say it's made by Suffolk and it's a Super Colt. I'm asking for a little bit of help today. Now, I have restored it. Most of it is powder coated. The green is spray paint and the engine cover and blades, and also the air filter. That is powder coated, but the rest is spray painted. This is the box. Does need to be repainted, but I'm just having a little bit of trouble with the lawnmower to start with. So if you can possibly listen for me and tell me if anything's wrong. The problem is the clutch gets very hot. It's a centrifugal clutch, so I'm sure it is coming out but not biting. So that's it on full power now, and on tick over, but still no action from the blades. Everything is loose. The blades are able to spin, but if you can please help me, I'll be very grateful. Thank you.